Last week Jeffie Bear was asking me about making a little mount to mount his cell phone when he's filming with it, and to mount it on his ceiling of his van. His van's not metal, so we have to put a little plate on it. But what I did is I went and picked up a little kit for mounting cell phones with a swivel base. So I screwed the swivel base in the holder. I put a rare earth magnet on the bottom. I glued it into place. Also came with a light, which is kind of handy. Put the light on. And the phone. And it's ready to go. So I'm just going to show you where I mounted it. And there we go. All mounted. And when I see Jeffie Bear later this week, I'll install it in his vehicle.